If you've been injured in a car wreck, you're likely experiencing a number of challenges. Those can include being out of work, having a lack of transportation, needing vehicle repairs, and of course having medical bills. You're likely feeling anxious, confused, maybe even angry right now. This is oftentimes when the insurance adjuster is going to approach you and try to get you to accept a quick settlement. Another thing you need to understand is that these adjusters possibly get 2 or 3 of these claims a day, when in fact this may be the first time you've ever had to go through this. I know firsthand the preparation that goes into training adjusters like this because I used to be one. That's why I want to talk to you about the perils of taking a quick offer from the insurance company and what to do when they come calling. First of all, why is the insurance company making an offer so quickly a bad thing? It's money in your pocket, right? How bad could that be? There may be injuries that pop up a week, 2 weeks after you've settled your case, and by then it's too late. By settling your case early, the insurance company is essentially able to give you compensation for what may be a week or 2 weeks' time, when in fact, by signing that release and finalizing your case, you may be giving up on months of compensation for what your treatment ends up being. Another issue that comes into play is that early on in your case, you're likely confused not only about the process, but just in general of what's going on around you. The insurance adjuster will oftentimes call you immediately. They may come out to your house. They'll definitely want to talk with you. But at that point in time, you may not be in a great state of mind to make a decision. You've just been in this auto accident. It's possible that as someone who's been injured, you're on prescription medication. You could be suffering from a concussion. And it's something new, and likely you're confused and getting direction from different parties. This is when the adjuster will likely come to you, want to talk with you, and likely want to meet you in person to try and resolve things. Under these scenarios, you probably wouldn't make a life-changing decision, but that's what the adjuster is asking you to do. By signing the release, you're locking yourself into that commitment, and it's something that you can't go back on. Unfortunately, making a quick offer is a proven and effective way for the insurance company to resolve your case. Once you accept that check and cash it, there isn't anything that someone like me can do to open that back up and get you the compensation you may deserve. Don't let that be the end of your story. Regardless of what the insurance adjuster has told you, you have the right to try to maximize your compensation for what you've been through. That includes medical bills, any kind of compensation for permanent injuries, the cost of your vehicle, and time out of work. It's likely the insurance company's lowball offer isn't going to cover those things. This is why it's important for you to get legal representation so that someone who's experienced in the field can advise you as to what you deserve and what your rights are. At the law offices of James Scott Farron, we have the experience and the resources to do the heavy lifting for you on your case. We believe that in cases like yours, teamwork is important. Your role in this is to get the best care possible, listen to your doctor's instructions, and get well. Our role is to deal with the insurance company, provide great legal service, and try to get the best result possible for your case. For a free case evaluation, please call or contact us online today.